Buenos días, soy la señora Warner y hoy les voy a presentar cómo conjugar los verbos que terminan en AR. Presentation is about how to conjugate verbs that end in AR. For that, I'm going to have to share my screen. And here we are. And I'm going to open a PowerPoint. Here we have it, how to conjugate the verbs. And you know, verbs have actions. Those are action words. Sometimes they don't have action words, but in this case, we will. So what is a conjugation? Conjugating a verb, and this might be a new term for you because it's not really widely used in English grammar. But what is a conjugation is adding ending to verbs that reflect subject and tense. This might be a little bit confusing right now, but it will get clear. So to conjugate a verb in English in the present tense, you first have to take the infinitive form. For example, you have the verb to walk, right? Then you're going to remove the to from the infinitive form. An infinitive form is that one that has not been conjugated, okay? So to walk, we take away to, and what is left is the verb, walk. In English, you have to include the subject pronoun and sometimes add an ending, like an S in third person. So we have the verb now, walk. And when we're going to include the subject pronoun, sometimes here we go, I walk. You don't say I to walk, it's I walk. You walk. He, she, or it walks. This is when we're ending something. We're ending an S that tells that it's the third person. 1, 2, and 3. We walk. Plural, first person. You walk. But we put this all not because it's part of the pronoun. It's just so you don't get confused with the singular form. And third person, they walk. If you notice, in English, you have walk, walk, walks, walk, all walk, walk. And what is important is that you need the pronouns in order to say who's walking. Because if you only go by the verb, you really don't know who's doing the action. So to conjugate an AR verb in Spanish, you must first remove the AR ending. For example, the verb hablar, to speak, to talk. Hablar by itself is just a verb. You don't have a to on the front. It's ar, hablar. You take the A and the R and you will remove it. What is left is called the stem, okay? Which is the root of the word. Then you need to add the appropriate ending. See, according to the ending, is who's doing the action. One more time, according to the ending is who is doing the action, okay? And then you add O for the yo form. Yo hablo. So if you say hablo by itself, are you saying I speak? Yes. But in the very beginning, it is very important to use your subject pronoun so you get used to it. You add a S for the to form. Tú hablas. You add a for the él, ella, and usted form. Él habla. Nosotros hablamos. you're going to add EMOS. Nosotros hablamos. Ellos hablan. Any questions? This could be a little confusing because you have new forms for you here. And in this, it's going to be, you have the word conjugation, you have the word stem, you have the word ending. So those are new to you. So we would translate the following conjugated verb into English. I want you to pay attention to this because in English, it depends. It has different meanings. Yo hablo could mean I speak, I'm speaking, I will speak. Okay? Tú hablas. It could mean you speak, you are speaking, you will speak. Usted, which is used to show respect. You speak, you are speaking, will speak. Él habla. It could mean he speaks, he's speaking, will speak, or he will speak. Ella habla, the same. She speaks, she is speaking, or will speak. Nosotros hablamos could mean we speak, we are speaking, we'll speak, we will speak. And it has a showing the future, but it's really immediate future, okay? Immediate, not in a week or a day or in many hours. So, ustedes hablan could mean you all speak, you all are speaking, or you all will speak. Ustedes hablan, ellos hablan, they speak, they are speaking, they will speak. Ellas hablan, they speak, they're speaking, they will speak. So what you see in the present tense in Espanol is only one, while you have it in different forms in English. So that is the biggest part of it. Do you have any questions? Please don't be afraid to ask questions. Well, conjugate the following verbs according to the subject pronoun, then give the English translation. So you have to use your vocabulary, and then we'll practice and talk about it.